Hi, this is Chris with ATV TEK here today to show you our new Elite Series mirrors with universal roll cage mounts. We've said it before, there are a lot of different options for mirrors and a lot of different configurations of roll cages. For that reason, we've developed a brand new mounting system that will mount to all of them. It might seem like a reach that we say we can mount to all the different roll cages out there, but let me show you exactly how we do that. We've developed a profiled clamp and also a round tube clamp that's going to mount to all the different machines out there, and both of these are included in our kit. Let's show you how it works. First of all, we've got our brand new mounting block. What's cool about this block is we've designed it to kick out and back, which is going to give you the perfect viewing angle of your mirrors. You simply put the mounting block on the roll cage, wrap the new profiled clamp or the round tube clamp around the roll cage, insert the bolt, tighten up the nut, and just like that, your mirror's mounted and you're ready to go. Not only do these work with all different types of roll cages, we've designed them to work with windshields and doors. In addition to our universal mounting system, we have all the features that the Elite Series have. We have our dual axis return to home breakaway system. We've got our anti-vibration technology built in and 4-way adjustability. Like I said earlier, there are a ton of mirror options out there. We believe our mirrors are the very best mirrors on the market. Go pick yourself up a pair and enjoy your next adventure.